Now this is a good one. What do you see when you see that? You? What do you see? You see a horse. What do you see? Frog. What do you see? Let's be fair. How many of you guys, when you saw these, automatically saw a frog? Now the second best, most important question. How many of you, after seeing the frog, you completely just gave up? See, this is a frog. I can already see it. Let's be honest. Let's be honest here. I would say, it's a frog, I'm not going to think again. Right? See, the problem is that in our society, well, now, of course, you guys will see a horse, right? But in our society, our educational system has been training all of us that maybe the first answer is the correct answer. And many times, more often than not, the second answer may be better than the first answer. And whenever we start doing those things over time, we have a problem. I think what we're seeing today, especially in education, is that we're having a problem of perception. When things are just right in front of us, and when we just refuse to be able to take action. Now I'm going to ask again, how many faces do you see here? I hear 5. I hear 6. Huh? I see 9 and 10. What else? What else? 5, 6, 9, 10. What else? Yeah. How many? 9. Okay. Oh, now we have 12. We start with 5. Now we have 12. Which one is right? First, yes, the final. It amazes me, and we have to come to CQ to talk about that. Maybe we should be going to conferences all over the country to talk about that. That maybe we have a perception problem. And that may be why we're having a problem in the first place. And it starts with education. Not just one professor should be using tutorials, but all should be using tutorials. Why should you ask anybody, for that matter, to take an hour and a half to read 2 chapters if you can teach that in like in 5 minutes? It's logical. It's a perception issue. Just because we're not using textbooks doesn't mean that we don't like textbooks. That was one of the justifications that he said, right? Because it's good to read books. Well, of course it's good to read books. But it depends on the knowledge you're trying to address.